ROAS, PPC, clicks, keywords? Has endless marketing jargon got your head in a spin? Well, stick around because in the next 5 minutes you will have learned the absolutely essential digital marketing terms that you need to know. As a leading digital agency, we are well versed in marketing jargon, believe me. And we specialise in working with small to medium-sized businesses. So it's part of our ethos to cut through the jargon and explain things in simple, easy to understand ways. But without further ado, let's start the clock. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It's a type of internet marketing where advertisers pay every time somebody clicks on one of their adverts on Google, Microsoft, Facebook, any type of digital marketing. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a strategy that businesses use in order to increase their visibility on search engines without the need to pay for advertising. Impressions are the number of times in which your ad shows on a search results page. This doesn't mean that you're paying for every time that your ad is shown on a search results page. That's where clicks comes in. Clicks are essentially what they say on the tin. They're the number of times that people click on your ads, or your search results, or your web page. In the context of PPC, essentially every time that somebody clicks on your ad, you're paying a set amount. This is also what is known as cost per click. And the average cost per click can tell you how much you're paying on average for each click that you get on your ad. Click-through rate is the ratio between impressions and clicks. Essentially, the number of times that your ad gets clicked for every impression that you receive. Search impression share shows you the number of possible search results that you could have got at any given time. Search impression share can be lost due to budget, meaning your campaigns have run out before the day is finished, or it can lose out to rank, which means that other businesses are competing for the same type of keyword and have outranked you in the auctions. We've already done a whole video on this, so go check it out. Search terms are the actual search results that users are making which your ads are appearing in front of. Keywords are the words that you yourself put into your ads in order to signal, I want my ad to show for this type of search result. And you can be as precise or wide-reaching as you want with exact, phrase, and broad match. Negative keywords are search terms that you put into your campaigns to say that you don't want your ads to show for this particular search term. Whether it is overly generic, whether it is too costly, or whether it could potentially be harmful to show your ad in association with it. It's important to keep on top of your negative keywords in order to make sure that your ads are showing to as relevant search results as possible. Gross profit is your business's total revenue minus the cost of producing and selling your goods. It's important to know your gross profit margin to know exactly how much you're spending in order to make a sale and how much you need to reach in order to turn a profit. And this leads me on to cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is the amount that you need to spend in order to produce, market, and even ship your order. Think of it as the inverse of your gross profit. So if you sell a product for £10 and it costs £5 to produce, ship, as well as market your product, then you're left with a £5 profit, meaning your gross profit margin in this case is 50%. Return on ad spend, or ROAS as it's also known, is a key metric to find out how well your ads are doing on any given date range. ROAS essentially tells you how much you are making per pound spent. ROAS is often depicted as a percentage or as a decimal figure. 300% means that you are returning 3 times what you are spending in order to make that sale. A conversion in Google Ads is when a user performs a specified action after clicking an ad. For example, purchasing a product, installing a mobile app, or signing up for an email newsletter. Conversion rate is the average number of conversions per ad interaction, and this is usually displayed as a percentage. It's an important metric when it comes to reporting on your campaign's performance. Bounce rate is when a user clicks onto your website and then jumps straight off without making any interaction on the website. They're a good indicator to know how your website or your landing page is performing. Bids or bidding is how much you're willing to pay for your ads to be interacted with on a particular keyword. Creatives are quite simply what a user sees when they search your ads. This can be in the form of an image, a video, an audio, or any other digital format. A/B testing is where you're testing elements of your ads, emails, or landing pages in two different formats to see which one performs better. You can change things such as visual elements, subject lines, or ad copy. CRO stands for Conversion Rate Optimization. It's a method of increasing the percentage of your website's visitors from making a desired action. Now, hopefully I've saved you hours of researching all of these digital marketing terms. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.